Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Hobart 500,559 MIG Welder. Built with Hobart quality and durability, the Handler 140 is Hobart's most popular MIG welder. Operating on standard 115 volts household current, the Handler 140 is extremely versatile and perfect for the welder that wants to work on auto body, household repairs, farm projects or yard art projects. A 5-position tapped voltage control selector gives you the ability to fine-tune your arc, offering a smooth, stable arc on all thicknesses. Built with an industrial cast aluminum drive system and a heavy-duty work clamp, the Handler 140 delivers a wire welding package with industrial performance. Let's watch more.
Hi, I'm Shane with Hobart Welding Products. Today we're going to take a look at the Hobart Handler 140. This is a 115 volt, 140 amp wire feed welder. Features a 10-foot MIG gun, also comes with a heavy-duty ground clamp and 10-foot cable. This unit comes with a roll of flux core wire so you can weld right out of the box, or it also includes the regulator and gas hose so you can switch over to MIG if you desire. Taking a look inside the Handler 140, you'll notice the welding setup chart that makes setting your machine up properly very easy. And if we look at the industrial grade cast aluminum drive system with quick release, that also makes changeovers very quick. It also has the polarity with easy access, so you can change from flux core to MIG very easily also. This machine, we have the small 2-pound roll-on, but you can also run the 8-inch spool, and it also comes with this adapter. Taking a look at the front of the Handler 140, you'll notice the slope control panel for easy visibility. Also features infinite control on your wire feed speed and 5 tap settings, allowing you to go down to 24 gauge steel and up to 1/4 inch steel. This machine also features a thermal overload protection light. In case this machine gets too hot, it will shut down and save the machine from any damage. You will experience excellent arc performance from the Handler 140 with a smooth, stable arc on all thicknesses. Designed and assembled in Troy, Ohio, USA, and backed by a 531 industrial warranty to protect your investment.
Our second best welder for aluminum is Deco Pro 160A ARC welder. This is our Deco 160A MMA welder, which will enable you to obtain a professional finish in welding, car bodywork, and many other thin steel welding process. With this welding tool, you can experience many advantages of the MMA welding process. The welding voltage can be continue adjusting to exactly match welding current. On-off frequency is out of audio frequency, nearly abate the noise pollution. Special welding dynamic characteristic control the circuit, stable welding arc, little spatter, good welding surface, high welding efficiency. Third pick in our list is Forney Easy Weld 261. Forney Easy Weld 261 140 FCI MIG welder is one of the best MIG welders that can best suit amateurs. It performs as advertised, easily carried, easily operated, and light. And it is an excellent product that has a voltage regulator to protect it from electric shock. One great of it is that it is flux cord welding, which prevents oxidation in the welded part. It has wire feed speed control, and infinite voltage allows you for welding 24 gauge up to 1/4 inches. Moreover, it includes an 8-inch ground clump, 8-inch MIG gun, and 2815A adapters. And for portability, Forney Easy Weld weighs 120 volts. Forney Easy Weld 261 has torch wrap that ensures efficiency and effectiveness. Let's watch about it.
Hi, I'm Caitlin with Forney Industries. Here we have our Forney Easy Weld 140 MP. It's capable of MIG, TIG, and stick welding. Let's open it up and see what's inside. This is a single-phase inverter multi-process welder. The input is 120 volts and the max output is 140 amps. This machine comes with a quick start guide, manual, and Forney contact info in case you have questions. It also comes with a 15 to 20 amp plug adapter, MIG gun, an extra 030 contact tip, stick electrode holder, ground cable, and clamp. The selector switch allows you to choose MIG, stick, or TIG welding. The left knob is for voltage and amps depending on what mode you're in. This machine is designed to hold 10 pounds of gas or gasless wire. The right knob is for the wire feed speed while in MIG or wire feed mode. If you want to use shielding gas for true MIG welding, you will also need to purchase a regulator and a gas line. We recommend item numbers 85363 and 85663 as they are not included with this machine. If you want to TIG weld, this is a lift arc TIG machine and the TIG torch is sold separately. For stick welding, you can use up to 1/8 inch electrode. That sums up the Forney EasyWeld 140 MP. This is the perfect machine to learn the basics of welding and get experience with different processes. It's ideal for do-it-yourselfers, maintenance and repair, hobbyists, and metal artists. Remember to wear the proper personal protective gear, non-flammable clothing like denim or cotton, safety glasses, a welding helmet, welding gloves, and FR jacket.
Number 4 in our side is Vivo Home 130 Portable MIG Welder. Vivo Home Portable Flux Core Wire Welder Machine is designed with the highest quality materials, including stainless steel, and is painted with a black finish that ensures it will resist corrosion, rust, and wear and tear. Comes with 10 levels of adjustable speed for a variety of cutting needs that can be easily adjusted as necessary. The flow of the current can be altered with the min/max and half buttons so your stream is as thick as you need it to be, making this cutter applicable to a variety of different materials. The built-in storage space on the top of welding machine is convenient to store some small widgets, nails, and screws. This welding machine is equipped with 2 air vents that help heat dissipation and reduce operation temperature. Let's watch more. Number 5 in our top 5 best welding machine for aluminum list is Hobart MIG Welder 500553. The Hobart Handler 210 MVP allows for great welder portability and convenience through the use of a multi-voltage plug. This option lets you plug the unit into either a 115 volts or 230 volts outlet with an easy change of the plug. The generous operating parameters allow you to weld 24 Ga to 3/8 of an inch steel in a single pass. Plus, it is extremely versatile and perfect for the welder who wants to work on auto body, household repairs, or even heavier farm projects requiring extra power. With an arsenal of standard features such as 7 output voltage settings and a dual groove quick change drive roll, the Handler 210 is as versatile as it is powerful. For details, let's watch more.
Hi, this is Shane with Hobart Welding Products. Today we're going to take a look at the Hobart Handler 210 MVP. This machine will run off a 115 or 230. With 210 amps on the 230 side, this is a very powerful unit in a small compact case. Comes with a 10-foot rugged MIG gun, gas regulator with 5-foot gas hose, heavy-duty ground clamp and cable, and a roll of flux core wire and extra tips so you can start welding right out of the box. As I mentioned, this machine will run off of 115 or 230. Comes with both plugs to run off of either voltage, and all you have to do is pick the appropriate plug, line up the arrows on the cable on the plug, screw it on, plug it into the input power, and the machine will automatically recognize whether it's 115 or 230. You don't have to do any switching inside the machine. Taking a look at the front of the Handler 210 MVP, you'll notice the variable speed wire feed control, 7 tab settings allowing you to fine-tune your weld down to 24 gauge steel and up to 3/8 mild steel in a single pass when you're on the 230 volt plug. Just like all Hobart wire feed welders, a quick reference guide is located on the back of the access door. This will allow you to set up your machine without any of the guesswork. Just choose the material you're welding, the thickness, and it will tell you where to set your voltage and your wire feed speed. So that was your look at the Hobart Handler 210 MVP. For welding aluminum, don't forget the Spool Runner 100 spool gun, part number 30796. It is a direct plug into this unit, no other adapters required. The Handler 210 MVP is proudly designed and manufactured in Troy, Ohio, USA, backed by the industry's best warranty. The Handler 210 MVP's ability to run 115 or 230 makes it one of the most versatile MIG welders on.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.